Just placed a trade on oil. Oil's been very volatile recently for many reasons. But one of the levels that I was looking at, this is just a day trade on a 5-minute time frame, and we had previous support. We had a nice rejection candle looking left. It's considered really a neutral candle because the close is in the middle third of the candle. So, but we did have this low test wick, and we also had a previous low test wick, which was more of a bullish candle as well. We had a 3-bar reversal at that level. If I just draw on a horizontal line, right here, you're going to see we tested it once, we tested it twice, and then as we pushed down, we held that level again and again and again before breaking through. Whenever we have a strong level of structure support, what generally happens if we're going to break through it, we have a massive breakthrough to ensure that we break and close way below the price. And what that indicates is the bears in the market really want the price to drop. And it also means that there's protection at that level. So if it was tested again, if we push up to that level, it's likely to become resistance. And that's what you can see it did. It pulled back up, and we got these tweezer top candles here, which significantly held as resistance. And since then, we've got this indecision until the bulls try to push up again and get rejected again, and followed by a doji candle, which is indecision. So if we get a lower low, lower close candle on this particular candle, there's a very strong probability that we're likely to continue down. And my prediction would be that we're going to push down and test these lows. Now, I'm not going to be greedy, so I'm going to look at previous structure. So 108.58, 108.58 for targets. So it's going to look something like this. Short position in 108.58, 108.60 for targets, and then I'm just going to get my stops just a few ticks above this recent structure high, because this is a retest. This is a double top. So we'll see how this goes, and I'll keep you posted. All right, so we're about £1,000 in profit, $1,000 in profit, sorry. We're just looking like we're going to have a real nice 3-bar reversal. This is a perfect example of a 3-bar reversal. What's likely to happen now is we're going to go push down to the lows. As I say, I'm not being greedy. We're pushing down. We're $1,300 in profit so far. So what I'm going to do is get my stop loss in, because I didn't even have time to get that in. So 110. 111 flat. I'll just go a couple of ticks above 111 flat for the stop loss. So 111.2. Okay, and then I'll put my profit target in here. We're now 1,700 in profit. So let's get this a couple of ticks above that. So 108.62 for the take profit. 108.62. And yeah, looks like a good trade. We can sit and watch it, but I'll probably just update you in a moment to see what happened, because it's very volatile. It's likely to play out very soon anyway. So yeah, catch up in a minute. All right, we're about halfway into this candle session, so about 2.5 minutes, and this is the 5-minute chart, remember. So not bad, $3,050 something in about 10 minutes. Nice trade. Very volatile. I don't recommend anyone trading this unless they know what they're doing, but as you can see, there is predictable patterns in there that can earn you a phenomenal amount of money. That has taken me, how long? 7 minutes? 8 minutes. So yeah, not bad. Let's find another one. All right, so I hope you enjoyed that, but really I hope it opened your eyes to the fact that you can make money in trading, and if you do it right, you can do it sustainably for a long period of time. And you get to keep the money over a long period of time. Most people out there are going around in circles because they're jumping system, looking for this kind of golden goose, which doesn't exist, or they're following some guru who's putting cash and Rolexes on the bed, which is just rubbish. It's absolute BS. But look, if you really want to learn the skill and master the art of trading and reading price and developing your own system and becoming a real trader, then send me a DM and perhaps we can work together. But until then, let me know what you thought. And yeah, I'm done. I'm going to go out and yeah, probably have some nice food somewhere.